Hi, this is the fourth scenario in module 3, separating the numeric and distinct values in a column into two different data flows. For example, we have a column and it has the numeric and the distinct values, and we have to apply some logic to separate the numeric values into a one data flow and the distinct values into another flow. So let's jump to the demonstration. I have already created this package and we have the data flow task, and inside data flow task we are reading the data. This is the manual data. We have prepared the query to generate this data. So it will return the results like this, and we have used the derived column transformation, again the derived column transformation, then conditional split, and then have used the multicast transformation as a destination. I have simulated the destinations, and conditional split is separating the numbers and strings based on the expressions. So in first derived column transformation, we have written an expression to cast this call name into the integer, and then I have tried to convert this into the bool using the isNull function. So the output is of boolean type and it is named as toNumeric. And also in the configure error output, we have to set the error and truncation both to ignore failure. By default, they are fail component. So I have used to make sure that the error is ignore failure. In the second derived column transformation, again I have used this toNumeric variable and have tried to replace the null with the false and converted the whole expression into the boolean. We don't need to configure the error outputs. Let it fail if there is an issue. Then in conditional split, I have used an expression and written a condition to check whether is numeric is equal to true. If it is true, then output it as a numerics. Otherwise, the default output, the other output is as string. So then we have connected. Let me connect it again. So when we connect the conditional split to the output, it asks which output we want to stream into this flow. There are only two, so the second will be string by default. So if we execute this package, let me enable the data viewer. So on execution, we can see that numbers and strings are separated. Yes, you can see all the derived columns are there. This is the first one we have tried to cast into the two numerics. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the numerics were casted. So it has the true. Others has the error. So they are the null. And then in numeric, it has all true. In string, it is all false because we have replaced the null as false. So this is how we can use the expressions, and the derived column transformation, conditional split to separate the numerics and the strings.